Everyone. I'm Sanjay J. Today I'm presenting Chronos-Kit. It is a developer toolkit for safe scheduled DRA transaction. Our goal is to bring HIP 551 atomic batches and HIP 423 long-term schedules seamlessly to Next.js developers. The problem. Currently, building a multi-step blockchain workflow is painful and risky. Developers waste days on transaction plumbing instead of building their actual product. Without Chronos-Kit, you will face four major pain points. Partial failures, where some transfers succeed but others leave funds stuck. A lack of on-chain scheduling, pre-flight blind spots, where frozen accounts are only found after submission. And a massive boilerplate overload of over 200 lines of code per workflow. One toolkit, three superpowers. Chronos-Kit solves this by giving developers three superpowers in one toolkit. It works out of the box with Next.js via our Chronos provider. We offer clean React hooks like use arrow batch, use arrow schedule, use arrow account, and use arrow account. The three core features are HIP 551 atomic batches, executes a group of transactions as a single or all or nothing unit. Long-term schedules allows transaction to be scheduled for future execution up to months in advance. Pre-flight engines, validation layer that checks HBAR balances, token associations, KYC, and free status before the transaction is even sent. Real use case. Prove this, we built a real use case, a DAO monthly payroll. In a single atomic batch, we can penalize a bad actor by wiping tokens, mint new tokens, transfer them to contributors, and submit an audit log to EDRA consensus service. I will show you how this works in our live demo shortly. Um, Deep EDRA integration. This isn't just a simple wrapper. It's a deep EDRA integration. We utilize the EDRA consensus service, token service, and the mirror node. In fact, Chronos-Kit is the first toolkit on EDRA to combine atomic batches, long-term scheduling, and mirror node pre-flight validation into one ergonomic API. Go to market and validation. Our target users are Web3 developers, teams building DAO, DeFi, and payroll applications. Our strategy is to drive developers adoption to by being open source on GitHub and published on npm with for zero friction installation. We already have working MVP on the EDRA testnet, a live demo. Thank you. And you can see now I'll show you the live demo. So here, so in env.docker, I have set it to testnet and I gave this testnet URL and the operator ID here and the operator key here. So by referring to this, the status is connected right now. It is ready. So here I'm already filled the data for fill the five contributors and one penalized user and the token ID here. And the scheduled payment is for 1/4/26. And I can run the pre-flight to check whether it is working correctly or not. And as it is, and here after I run the pre-flight, I can see the sound association is failed because the values are incorrect. I don't have the IDs right now. So after we click on schedule, the payment will not be scheduled because the pre-flight has been failed. If we have a good correct account IDs, we can do the scheduled payment payroll.